Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into a short, going mainstream with Soneium quests on Layer 3. We have two quests in today's video: SONEX, which is a decentralized exchange on Soneium, and Sake Finance, which is a liquidity protocol on Soneium. So before we actually get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. Now, Soneium is a layer 2 blockchain or layer 1, I believe. Is it layer 2? Or Sony's building their own blockchain, and this isn't an official quest or campaign, but there could be incentives from these projects being built on Soneium. If Soneium itself doesn't do an airdrop, these projects building on these blockchains will almost certainly have one. Layer 3 also, with the rewards, minting the cubes. They do have these races that are staking, available to people who stake. So if you stake a certain amount of tokens, you have access to these races that happen once every couple weeks or so, and you win a certain amount of optimism or Foxy or Degen or Arbitrum. Just depends on what the team gives out and what the race is. So a lot of stuff to be had on Layer 3. Also, if you do have any questions navigating these quests or campaigns, please jump in the Discord. Link is down below. Go to the rules and guidelines, click the thumbs up, and you will have access to all these amazing channels. Get in there, ask your questions, get your feedback, and show your support. And I appreciate all of you who are in there. And with that, let's dive in. So, SONEX is a DEX that powers the Soneium ecosystem by enabling secure, seamless on-chain trading for DeFi projects. You can bridge to Soneium Monado. We've shown you how to do that on the Super Bridge. So claim faucet on SONEX, and we will swap some tokens. So Super Bridge, you can bridge from these test nets, right? All these different test nets. That's cool. You just bridge a little bit of Ethereum and bada boom. So let's connect. Let's get this knocked out. It'll be a nice quick one for you. We can claim these testnet tokens. They don't have any value until the actual airdrop comes. Then the value will be transferred to that, but not exactly one-to-one. It all depends on your activity on here, and the metrics that the team decides to go with, because nobody knows what the team will decide to do with airdrop allocation. It's always the fun part. Okay, now that we've claimed our faucet tokens, we will go to the swap feature. So we'll go to swap and swap any amount of tokens. So any token, got ASTR, swap some of that for USDC. We'll swap 10. Check out this swap feature. Boom. Okay. So I did get a little bit of other faucet tokens, but I didn't get any SONEX. See if it gives it to me. Maybe. It's okay. We'll go to the token pool. You can do your swaps there. Verify that and create new position. We're just going to, okay. So find a pool, SONEX USDC.E, and I don't have any SONEX. So I will go back here, new position, click edit, and we'll go to SONEX ASTR. We'll just do that, ASTR USDC. So we're just gonna put a little bit in this liquidity pool. You're adding a little bit of each asset into this pool, so that way you can earn rewards. Yay! Who doesn't love good rewards, huh? Preview, confirm. There you go. Now we go to all pools, and we should see your position down here. Maybe. If not, we can come back and check later. But SONEX, there you go. Boom. And as long as it stays within this range, you can claim the fees, or you'll generate fees. You can claim the fees anytime, but you'll just generate them only when you're in the green, in that range. All right, now Sake Finance. So it's an integrated liquidity protocol on Soneium, offering key features such as lending and borrowing, over-collateralized stablecoins, and leveraged liquidity strategies. So a bridge. Now supply any amount of any asset on Sake Finance. So bada boom, we can close out of here. Binging and a banging around. Okay, let's connect. Let's connect. You can get free testnet tokens. If you need Sepalia ETH, you can go check out my previous videos. So you can get your ETH bridge. Okay, so we can only mint 0.01 tokens per day of each one of these. So you can come in and mint from here to get each one and use them on different things. Let's see. Oh, we need some stone as well. We'll go to liquidity. We're going to go to supply and we'll just deposit some of this wrap Bitcoin. We're going to hit all the way. Now, sometimes if you don't add this as collateral, it won't work. We'll have to make sure. Okay, this thing. Come on now. Work for me. Okay. Sometimes you might have to close out or refresh if the page is giving you trouble. If it's giving you technicality issues, technically, then you just need to refresh. Man, just need to refresh. We getting that deposit? Okay. So next we will borrow. So any asset, there we go. Now you can go down here to borrow and borrow any asset, but we will just borrow some Sony, some SONE. We'll borrow 100. Dun dun dun. Looks like we got the borrow. There we go. Total borrowed. And you can follow them on the X. But let's see. Yield coming soon. Rewards coming soon. And you got your strategies. So you can go to this Bitcoin loop strategy. Okay. So it just kind of loops your collateral there. All right. Pretty cool. But maybe go in here, repay this, pay it all back, and you don't have to worry about that liquidation. But there you go. Just a couple of things to do on Soneium. I know I did some videos recently, but these things are coming out pretty hot. Check out some other testnet videos, Barachain, Sunrise Layer, amongst others, and the story protocol. So we got a lot coming, a lot going on. But remember, jump in the Discord. Link is down below. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.